Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all on how you can make your own gingerbread house glue. Yeah guys, you know those little packets that come in the gingerbread kits that really don't have that much in it. Then you have to buy 2 kits just to get more. Well, I'm going to show you how to make it yourself. So if you want to see how, keep watching. Alright guys, to make our gingerbread house glue, in my bowl here I have a total of 1 pound of icing sugar. I poured this out of a 2-pound bag. If you want to make the whole 2-pound bag, just go ahead and double what I am sharing with you here. So now I'm going to add in my cream of tartar, 1 tablespoon of that. And what this is going to do, it's going to help your glue to stay nice and white, okay? It's not going to help or have it fade to any other color. It's going to stay nice, bright, white. Okay, so now we're going in with our meringue powder, 2 tablespoons of that. Meringue, whatever you guys call it. 2 tablespoons of that. And what that's going to do is going to help your glue to get nice and hard once you use it on your gingerbread house. And if a lot of you don't know, this is also used to make royal icing. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and give this a good mix, and I'm going to gradually add that water in until I reach a thick consistency just like this right here. And we are pretty much done, guys. That is it. And I did add in a little bit of almond extract to flavor my icing because I don't want it bland. You can use lemon extract. I use almond extract. I don't know if I said almond icing, but almond extract. Any clear extract, guys, would be perfect for your gingerbread house glue. So yeah guys, just cover this with some Saran Wrap to make sure it don't dry up, and it is good for about 2 weeks. So I truly do hope you guys enjoyed this video of me showing you how to make gingerbread house glue. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you guys take care. Bye. And oh yeah guys, don't forget to cover this with Saran Wrap because it will dry very, very quickly. Bye.